We're recording. Go.
Okay, right now it is June 20th. It is 7 p.m. in the West, and in the Midwest it's about 9:01 p.m. Over the weekend, no big news out. Markets opening up. Bonds have continued to rally. They're up another $1 to 161.27, so it's almost 162. So we have a rally in bonds from a low of like a high 156s to this price in the last 4 days, 4 sessions. Gold is up $2, but still, in a downward market. Soybeans and corn are also lower this evening. Crude oil tacking on about a 62-cent gain, approaching $72. Pretty much all the base commodities are still in a retracement mode, and the interest rate market is still yields falling, prices, bond and note prices rallying. Equity-wise, S&P were down 16. We pretty much have been down since we opened 4 hours ago in the Asian session. We're down to 37 in the September futures right now. I'm thinking we're probably going to continue to go lower. Let's take a look at what's out there. This should help us on volatility-wise to bring in a little bit more premium. So let's see what's out there on our straddle value first. Igor, what do you see in there for the straddle?
So let's take a look at 35 straddle.
35 straddle looks like we're basically $40.
19. Okay, $40.
Okay. So what do you say? Why don't we round up to 50 just to be safe?
Okay, so we can do 100 up, 100 down. That would give us.
I wouldn't do 50 up and down.
50 up and down
would be right about even, because we're gonna have it's gonna defend a lot coming back down to 4,100. Realize we dropped it since Friday. We were over 4,200. Coming down to 41, it'll probably defend it. Pull up your chart for a second. Let's look on the daily chart, which is over here on the right. See.
So we have like 83 to 85 area overhead. First resistance going to be at support where we're at. So first resistance would be at 64, and then we're going to go to around 80 to 42 even.
Yeah, I tell you what, and then you see that's 40.81 where your line is. So that's on the futures contract. It's been adjusted. So the cash market, that's about 4,200 even. So why don't we look at what's 4,200 versus 4,100 using the round numbers. You got 2 round numbers. It's going to be hard to go through one, and it's going to be hard to go, because 4,200 would actually be like 4,210 in the cash. So the cash would have to go through it. And the other one, okay, so that's $9 there. So I'll tell you what we'll do. On the upside, very little on the call side. Let's go 180 versus 080. 080 versus 180. So we're going to do the in the money gut. We're going to do 4,180 versus 4,080, which looks like it should be around $7 over. That's a big improvement from last week when we were selling these things for $3 over.
Yeah, just for fun, let's take a look at what's the volatility right now for tomorrow. It's almost 20, and we've been playing around with 11 to 13. So
yeah, no, this is a big increase. So let's try to take advantage of it just in case the market like rallies back to 41.50 or 60 and then peters out the day.
Okay, let's see.
Once we get filled on that, let's pull up the economic calendar just to see if there's any numbers. I think for us, we don't have another expiration that we care about until the gold expiration, which would be next week.
Okay, so I was able.
Looks like you got 48 and 60 and a half. So we got 8.5 over. So for our friends out there listening, that's 60.5 and 48. So 48 on the 180 put and 60.5 on the 4080 call. And let's pull up that economic calendar just to see if there's any surprises coming out for us.
Okay.
Okay, so Monday we got nothing tomorrow, except for tomorrow is the longest day of the year, so enjoy the daylight. Existing home sales and not
Isn't
much.
it Tuesday, the longest day?
It's 21st, I thought.
21st.
It goes with the winter solstice is the 21st of December, summer is 21st of June. Nothing on there of any interest, so looks like a quiet week ahead. So
Let's
anyway,
hope so.
that's where we're at for now. We'll check back in with 6:30 in the morning on the markets, and then we'll be hedging if we go to 4180 or 4080. We can stop recording now.
Okay, hold on. Stop recording.